Today we're taking a look at the new Radio Flyer L885, a long-tail cargo e-bike from Radio Flyer's newest lineup of electric bikes. You probably already know of Radio Flyer. They invented the original red wagon 100 years ago and have become a well-known brand for generations of families and kids in the US and around the world. They even make tech toys like the mini electric Tesla for kids, and recently announced an electric Tesla Cyberquad for kids and teens. Looking at the e-bikes, the L885 model is a long-tail bike, which means it has a long rear section that's integrated into the frame and designed to be multi-purpose, so you can load cargo or have up to 2 kids when using the kid carrier. The L885 is available directly from Radio Flyer's website and starts at $1,999. But there's some deals and coupons available, so be sure to check the description at the bottom of this video. When ordering, you can choose from 4 different colors and customize many different accessories, including a front basket, small rear basket, large rear storage basket, or the kid and cargo carrier. For delivery and assembly, you can either select free shipping and assemble the bike yourself, or pay $200 to have a local bike shop receive and build the bike for you so you can pick it up fully assembled. They even have a mobile service available in certain cities, and they partnered up with VeloFix that will deliver the bike fully assembled for $250. For our e-bike, we chose the free shipping and assembled it ourselves. It ships in a large box, well packaged inside, and neatly protected. It also comes with a user manual and assembly instructions, the front light and reflectors, battery charger, pedals, and a set of tools. Assembling the bike, there's just a few steps. First, you install the front wheel, then mount the handlebars, and set up the front fender and light. On the rear section, the wooden top seats and side steps easily mount to the brackets with the included hardware. We also got the cargo and kid carrier, which is quick to assemble. First, you assemble the basket using the hardware. Mounting it on the bike, it replaces the wooden top section with the included padded foam seat. The cargo carrier is designed to be multifunctional, so you can use it in cargo mode to carry a bunch of groceries, and the basket is extra large and tall. The liner is made of a high-quality fabric that's durable and easy to clean. It also has a front zipper so you can put small items like your keys or cell phone. Converting it to kid mode, all you have to do is unzip each side and fold down the fabric, which wraps around the side rails and clips in to hold. It's a well-designed accessory that's super functional. We also like the front and back fenders, and the fender in the rear gives full protection even on both sides of the wheel. The carrier is rated for children between the ages of 5 and 10 years old. And you can also get a booster seat that's made by Thule for kids as young as 9 months old. We tested it with 2 kids that are 3.5 and 1.5 years old. Safe to say, they fell in love with the bike at first sight. Loading the kiddos on the carrier, you can either lift them up to place them in, or let them crawl their way up all on their own. The kickstand is a dual leg, and it's very sturdy, so you can feel confident it won't tip over when the kids are loading themselves on and off the bike. Because the kickstand is spring-loaded, it can be a little tricky to lift up and down, but with a little bit of practice, you quickly get used to it. Riding around with kids, it feels well-balanced and easy to maneuver. This is due to the fact that the rear wheel is 20 inches, which is smaller than the 26-inch front wheel. The smaller rear wheel creates a lower center of gravity for better stability, while also being more efficient for the motor. Meanwhile, the tires are both 3-inch wide and also puncture resistant. Trying out the basket for cargo, it's perfect for lugging around all your gear. It has a weight capacity of 130 pounds, and because of the wide size and height of it, you can easily fit your groceries or other items without needing to use a net or bungee cord to secure it down. Looking at the motor, it's a 500-watt hub motor in the rear wheel that gets you going up to 20 miles per hour. You have the option of using the twist throttle for acceleration or the 5 different pedal assist modes. There's also a 7-speed derailleur and Shimano shifters so you can change the manual gears of the bike. You control the pedal assist settings using the small LCD display on the left-hand side. It shows you the current pedal assist mode you're in, speed, odometer, and battery life. While the display is small compared to other e-bikes, it's also simple and does the job. The battery is a 48-volt, 15 amp-hour pack that fits nicely within the frame of the bike. Using the key lock, you can easily remove the battery so you can bring it inside to charge. For range, Radio Flyer advertises between 30 to 50 miles, and your range will depend on how much cargo or kids you're lugging around. But if you do want to go even further, the L885 has a dual battery mounting bracket and plug for a second battery that you can buy, which will add another 50 miles for those really adventurous families. Looking at lights, the L885 features both front and rear LED lights that can be turned on and off, while the rear light also functions as a brake light. For braking, the e-bike features front and rear disc brakes. While they aren't hydraulic brakes, we found that they still do a good job considering the weight of the bike. One downside is that there isn't any suspension in the front or back, so you will feel bumps and potholes if you encounter them. But given the price tag, we're pleased with the build quality and components of this e-bike. The aluminum frame is well constructed, with the quality you can expect from a great brand like Radio Flyer, and they back it up with a 1-year warranty on the e-bike and all the components. They even have a 15-day return policy if you decide you don't like the bike for whatever reason. Overall, the L885 should be a top choice e-bike that the whole family can enjoy, whether it's going out for biking adventures, using it to do errands, or even commuting to work. Alright, that's it for now. Let us know in the comments below what you think, and if you have any questions about the Radio Flyer e-bikes. If you found this review helpful and want to support our channel, you can always subscribe for free.